Hi guys, I'll be discussing how to run a PySpark Jupyter Notebook in Docker in your local machine. So let's start. So the image that we'll be using is going to be Jupyter PySpark Notebook. So now first of all you need to install Docker. So for that you can refer this. I'll be attaching the link in the description below. You can just open the Docker's official website and go here and download for your Mac, Windows or Linux. Now after Docker is installed in your laptop, you can just pull the image, Docker pull and the image name. Now we can check that the image is downloaded. So now we need to run a container of this image. So for that Docker run, we need to export the port the images and the container will run on. That is going to be 8888 and then the image ID. So now this container is running. Now here it is telling us that just copy and paste this URL. So this is our local IP. We'll just copy this URL and we can start the notebook here. So as we can see, the notebook is running on our local IP. We will try to import the Spark. So from PySpark.sql import Spark session. So as we can see, we are able to import it. So yeah, that's all we need to do to run a Jupyter notebook with PySpark installed.